Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a PDF from images using PDFKit in Flutter iOS. So this will be only iOS specific video for Flutter. So firstly I will show you guys the output. Here you can see I have created this PDF and now here are all the images. So I'm using these three images constantly, but you can select any number of whatever image you feel like. This is rendered using PDFKit. So let's see how to do this. Now we will be writing a lot of native code for this, unfortunately, and the other thing is you will have to add all the images which you want inside this particular assets folder, which I will come back to in a bit. So firstly I have created a Flutter project. And firstly you will have to go to main.dart file, and here as usual I have refactored this my homepage widget to be a stateless widget. Here we are taking the width and height of our device. Then we are taking scaffold safe area. I'm using size box so that it occupies the entire width and height, and here I have created a custom widget called my PDF view. So for that I have created this dart file. Firstly I have created this identifier called my PDF view. It is a stateless widget. If platform is iOS, then only we are displaying this UIKit view of type my PDF view. And here we are, again this is boilerplate code which we have to write. For other platforms I'm just displaying a placeholder. Currently I don't know how to do this for Android, that's why this is only Flutter iOS specific tutorial. Then you will have to open the iOS XE workspace inside Xcode. I have already done that. Also I think this is 12, this should be fine, this is 12. Okay, next you will have to go to app delegate, and here firstly we will have to register our view. Now here you will have to use the same identifier which you have used on your Flutter project. So as you can see, this is my PDF view. So use same thing over here as well, and here as you can see I am referencing one Swift file called my PDF view native view factory. So I have created a Swift file called my PDF view native view factory. Again this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter project. So just copy paste it. Important thing is here we are referencing another Swift file called my PDF view native view. So for that I have created that as well. Also inside your assets you can drag and drop whatever images you want inside this particular folder. So here I have added these three images, image 1, image 2 and image 3. Next coming back to our Swift file, so here I have imported PDFKit as well as UIKit. Here I have created our parent view, then I have created this PDF view, then we are overriding this particular method. So here we are initializing our view, then initializing PDF view, then setting the translate layout translates auto resizing before this NS layout constraints, which I am doing. Here I am just added some properties like auto scale to true, display mode, single page continuous, display direction vertical. You can play around with this value, and then I have added PDF view to our parent view. Then here I have created this array of images. So here this is our image 1. So whatever is the name of your image, write it over here as well as over here, and I'm just repeating these three images constantly just to create an extremely long PDF. Then I have just created this PDF document. I have assigned this PDF document to our PDF view. I'm iterating over through all the images which we have, then creating PDF page based on the image. Then I'm just doing PDF view.document.insert page at particular index, and I'm also setting the bounds. Here I have insert some page margins as well for distance or margins between each and every image which you see here in the output. That's why I have used this UI edge inserts, and here we are overriding this method to return our parent view. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.